Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. God damn. Hey, look here. Today, I'm doing something special. You know I love my eggs. So I tell you what, I'm going to deep fry my stuffed eggs. I tell you, if you've got a little mashed potatoes left from last night's meal or from the meal for lunch, or even if you got some potato salad left over from a recent little barbecue, hey, I'm going to show you what to do with that. Don't throw it out just yet, because I tell you what, it's awesome. So if you're having a little party or something, or you just want to do a little afternoon thing, you know, like, hey, I can sure use a cold beer and a snack. Hey, this is the thing for you right here. This is the way to go, Shaq. Anyway, your kids are gonna love that stuff now. Let me tell you what. Hey, they're gonna be wanting mama to make that all the time. And if daddy's out there and he got some leftover potato salad with his barbecue, them kids gonna say, hey daddy, you remember Chef Bourque went ahead and made them special eggs? Can you do that for me? And guess what? You're gonna do it because your heart's probably that big. Great big heart. Anyway, watch me and we'll do our thing, baby. Oh, yes, yeah. Hot dang. Man, this is fun. We finished up our little eggs, and let me tell you what, they are so awesome. And I tell you, this one here, yeah, that's the one, the last one what I just did. And I went ahead and I stuffed it with not only mashed potatoes, but I stuffed it with a jalapeno pepper. A pickled jalapeno, not just a jalapeno. And for my breadcrumbs, don't forget I use some pinko mixed with a little Italian breadcrumbs. Hey, it's all good on the bayou, Chef. Let's try it out. Good, you're gonna love it. Chef Bourque, I'll talk to you later. Oh yeah, baby. Damn,